Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check and top off your oil in this 2001 Ford Focus. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. The hood popped, your engine oil dipstick is right here. This one's actually upside down. I'm just going to grab the dipstick, wipe it with a rag, reinstall the dipstick, pull it out again, check the oil level. As you can see, you want it in between these two dots. You want to make sure that the engine sat for a little bit. You don't want to do this right after you shut the engine off. So this oil level is good, so we don't actually have to top off any of the oil. But if you were to top off the oil, right here is where the cap is. Wipe off some of the dust. The cap actually says what type of oil you can use. It says 5W20 on this vehicle. Just loosen up the cap. You can put a funnel in there and top off your oil. Reinstall the cap. Snug it up, you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.